how to share an instant on Instagram. Here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, tap the messages icon to open your direct messages. Once you're on the conversations page, tap the camera icon in the right corner. This will instantly open Instagram's instant camera. Before taking a photo, tap the audience drop-down menu. Now, choose who you want to send the instant photo to. You can select friends or close friends, depending on who you want to share it with. After selecting the audience, tap the capture button in the middle of the screen to take your photo. Once the picture is captured, it will be ready to send instantly. After you capture the photo, it will be sent automatically to the selected people in your Instagram direct messages. And that's it. That's how you can quickly share an instant photo on Instagram. Thanks for watching.